Hi everyone, this video is with regard to clear your effective communication myths. So let me tell you this, communication is a gradual process. This cannot be learnt in 2 months time. Sometimes students come to me and they say, ma'am, we want to be perfect in English and we have only 2 months time. Let me tell you that if you're a basic speaker, if you are committing a lot of errors in grammar, SMR, has, have, and you have never tried and seen, you have never introspected your own English. It's just that, you want to improve your speaking skills and somebody has told you that this course is for 2 months only. It has been designed for 2 months only. Then you are sailing in the wrong boat. A lot of students come to me and I guide them that, dear, you have already spent 2 months. Why don't you spend 6 months time? You see, let me tell you, there is a reason behind that. In schools, you come across teachers who are very good at teaching you subjects, English as a subject, not English as a language. Teachers are very good at telling you summary. Teachers are very good at, making you cram question answers. You see, as long as you are in school, you don't have any scope of improving your linguistic skills. Only 1 or 2% of students go to debate. Rest never get exposure. Students have different backgrounds. So one myth you have to clear, that English is different for each candidate. So we have different levels of English. Beginners, elementary, let's say intermediate, and then advanced learners. You need to categorize yourself first. You need to see how long would I take for learning English. And when you are guided that you may take 6 months time, you must spend 6 months time. It's not that, I know it's very time consuming process. Who has time? Students can do that. Working professionals can't. But there are ways of handling it. Let's say if you have already attended 2 months intensive program, then you can enroll yourself on weekend batches, or, you can go for online process. You can go for, teachers introspection weekly, or maybe, once in a week, once in a month. There are ways. Talk to your trainers, but never leave your training incomplete. Otherwise, what would happen? Let me tell you that you would spend 2 months time, you would learn half of the aspects of English, then there will be a break of 4 months. Whatever you have learned will be gone. And then you will have to resume your training from the scratch. So you see, for the rest of your life, you keep learning English, but you haven't maintained any consistency. So plan, design your training, and never leave your training in between. For this reason, we have introduced our pre-IELTS courses. Pre-IELTS courses means before you waste your time, before you waste your 3-4 months, you should check your level of grammar, your level of frankness, with people when you talk to them. And then, go for the exact IELTS course. For basic speakers, we always tell them that be a part of our career counseling, where we tell you that how you need to plan your training and how much time needs to be spent. Sometimes students, they think, oh, ma'am is asking for getting his or her course extended. So yes, we are making money for sure. We are into this business. We are making money, but we are making money not at your loss. See, dear, it is very clear that until you listen to a trainer like me, you will never be able to improve. I am not praising myself, but let me tell you that honest trainers are rare to find. I've seen students coming to me after a year, ma'am, you told me that I would take this much time. I was in a hurry. I booked my IELTS exam. I booked my PT exam, but I couldn't clear it. So you see, listen to a trainer. We need to earn money, but yes, we need to earn money honestly by giving you the right and apt feedback. Bye. Take care.